Royce Davis Fly Fishing. We're up here on the upper middle fork of the Salmon, starting out at Dagger Falls. So we're gonna got about, I don't know, day and a half to fish here. Just starting out. Gonna start with a yellow chubby Chernobyl and then a little hare's ear jig. Dropping that off the back, a little hare's ear jig. So oh, there's a nicer one. Nice fish. There we go. That's better. Cuddy! Royce Davis Fly Fishing, day 2, up fishing the middle fork of Salmon River above Dagger Falls. Left the waders back at camp and just kind of cruised today with one rod. Gonna fish chubby Chernobyl with the dropper, and gonna cruise down to that dark green stuff there to be my first spot for the day, and we'll see how it goes. Oh geez, that's a nice one. Thing I would say about this spot, if you got a little adventure in your soul, you can find water that hasn't been fished very much. So this one's just kind of off the beaten path, walking around. Obviously look at corners, there's a lot of stuff happens on corners, so it's kind of what this is, corner there, but I'm going to go down there and see what we can get. Finishing up day 2, and really lots of fish. Just really about hit your spots. You know, just walk the trail, hit spots. There's usually a few fish in each spot, or if you're getting a good run, there'll be more. But it's a good place, a lot of fun. It's fun because you can hike and get new stuff all the time. You really don't have to worry about seeing other people. If you do, it's easy to pass them by, or lots of water to fish. And, you can fish dry, fish the Chernobyl, did good on that. And then also, just if you wanted to fish nymphs, lots of fish with nymphs too. So nothing big, but lots of fun. And don't forget to subscribe, and we'll go on some more adventures. Happy fishing.